We any Ranche Bako to Bako Mujrema Kumasi Asante Kotok. Mohammed Kamawa goalkeeper, number 16, number 6 year. Gambani Onel Dongane Samba, captain of the day. Philip Amo, number 4. Musa Hamzata, number 5. Lord Hilary Adabo, number 8. Morifin Donso, number 9. Hibert Jau, number 12. Patrick Asiedu, P17, number 17. Seth Kojo, number 20. Lord Amoa, number 27. And Peter Amidou Aqua, number 30. Today is happening to be who know before this game. The entire game and also informal referee Atari Abdul Latif Ahus Nyako ma pass Bonnet Aswekita Bechem into the 18-year boss Naso referee say Bonnie a foul Aban and Jimmy and Naso Hibert Jawo Luzu Naso Debi referee say Yentwa game Naso Mohamed Kama Kucho Bechem United a capitalized Bono to Augustine Okra, another experienced player in Ghana football. Asante now almost one Jirakokoma Jamal Sefama pass Neso Debi show boy Mo Kama for you. Another beautiful Bechem United first corner kick Augustine Okra into the 18 boss Neso when and the Eklund line so Sambo Nell Nesebi against the woodwork. So Neso Hilary then so Seth Kojo Wenya Lord Amoa pass where Peter Amidou to P17 true pass Asante my feet so he opened the scoreline for Kumasi Asante Kotok. Murphy done so. What a remarkable finisher. Murphy done so finds the back of the net. And we all saw the name German Asiedu Kwasi, my name. When you know Jina Bonner, so Wama pass and go through to the player. Nenso will lose you to Morifin. When ya Peter Amidou Aqua to Morifin. Nenso Peter Amidou Nenso Peter Tokwadie Empower corner kick. Nenso goalkeeper. Wababe a great save. Hibert Jau. Small head with the biggest brain. Philip Amo, can he take on Philip? No one is there to connect. And into me, Uncle Baby Ababe Drew, Bechem United, Augustine Okra, over to me, attacking on Augustine Okra into the 18-year boss, Augustine Nensudebi, clearance, and it's corner kick. For her set Kojo Aston Biemon, Larry Adabo, long one, what to say, Philip Amo, Nensudebi, what is it to Lord Amoa, Lord Iswinga Juma into the 18 boss, no one is there to connect. And on T, Bonababe Drew, Nama kick for Kumasi Asante Kotok, second corner kick for Asante Kotok into the 18 boss. Clearance Jumane so another corner kick for Asante Kotok. Peter Amidou into the 18 boss. Samba Ono. What a goal! What beautiful goal! Kumasi Asante Kotok 2. Bechem United 0. Medin can catch Ramasa Yebenya more goals. Let's see if center referee said Bono Aye free kick Peter Amidou Peter Amidou finds Murphy Donso. Bonasanso Abedrechri Ikita. Number 18, Jesse Augustana Fanny Mensa. Can he take on into the 18? Neso Seth Kojo Enchime Yinaso. Bonababe Drew Hibet Jau Neso. True passer into me uncle. Let's go scorer. Went to me Yinaso. Ababe Drew Hibet Jau to Hilary Adabo. Bonababe Drew Seth Kojo. He finds Peter Amidou. Beautiful control. Former Park Academy. Peter Amidou Aqua Murphy Donso. Murphy Donso. Kumasi Asante Kotok is cooking. What a goal! Look at that! Look at that! Look at the supporters! Icon.
Really, in fact, Kotok supporters, I'm super excited for them. Such performance, in fact, actually, Kotok will be by 3 goals.
The first department, Samba Onel to Hilaria Dabo, Peter Amidou Aqua to Hilaria Dabo, Lord Hilary Nansudabi, who is there, a champion, Adari Abdul Latif, a referee for the day, Wahesto for the end of the first half.
West first half for Bechem United because Kotok won LED by 3 goals unanswered.
Okra, captain of the side, Edema, Bechem United, long one, through one, into the 18 ball, Nenso, it's a woodwork. It's a woodwork.
Okra be a far ball in the movement. There was a lot of space on the right. And the striker now will move through that tunnel. I personally felt and also called the ball, man. But
What a goal! Look at the to him to and it's Asante who is taking against Bechem United. Zakaria Fuseni, the Bonama, Patrick Asiedu making Kita, Musa Zata, Neshadebi, Mo Kamara. What a great save from Mohamed Kamara. Mohamed Kamara, commence à sentir que le supporters chanting for clean sheet. And indeed, we need a clean sheet. Injury and boss, Naso, you body the floor, you bet Chow, watch share, Kwame Poku, Kwame Poku too, Peter Amidou, Peter, watch share, Set Koto, Lord Amwa.